What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of losing every single backyard water fight because your old toy takes way too long to manually pump, we have something super exciting for you today. We are looking at the best electric water gun toy with LED to absolutely dominate your next summer party. You are watching Cool Product. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Pulstron electric water gun toy with LED, it is perfectly clear that this is not your average summer toy. For decades, we have all grown up using traditional water guns that require constant, exhausting manual pumping just to get a weak stream of water. The Pulstron brand has completely revolutionized this classic outdoor experience by integrating modern technology into a timeless favorite. This electric water gun is specifically designed to elevate every single water fight you participate in, utilizing a high-speed, electric-powered performance system that completely changes the game. Inside the sleek casing of the Pulstron electric water gun toy with LED is an incredibly powerful electric motor. This motor completely eliminates the need for any manual pumping. Instead, all you have to do is simply pull the trigger, and the internal motor delivers rapid, continuous bursts of water. This ensures you get fast-paced action with absolutely minimal physical effort. Whether you are running around in the backyard, splashing around at the local pool, or spending a sunny afternoon on the sandy beach, this toy promises a truly exhilarating experience for players of all ages. You can finally focus entirely on dodging incoming splashes rather than tiring out your arms trying to build up water pressure. Of course, a powerful motor needs a good water supply to keep the fun going, and the Pulstron water gun certainly does not disappoint. It comes equipped with a beautifully integrated large-capacity water tank. This generous tank size allows for extended periods of play without the constant, annoying need for frequent refills. There is nothing worse than having to pause an intense water battle because you ran out of ammo, but this large tank keeps you in the action much longer. When you do need to top it off, the user-friendly design of the Pulstron water gun makes refilling incredibly quick and hassle-free. The fill port is large and easy to access, meaning you can dunk it in a pool or hold it under a hose and get right back to the fun in a matter of seconds. Because these interruptions are kept to a minimum, the excitement naturally stays flowing all afternoon long. Adding an entirely new layer of excitement to the experience, this toy features fantastic dynamic lighting effects. Standard versions of the Pulstron water gun include a very bold strobe LED light that flashes brightly as you play, while the upgraded models offer incredibly vivid multicolor RGB illumination. These brilliant LED features make the water gun visually striking and absolutely stunning to look at, especially when you are playing in dim lighting or having epic evening battles as the sun goes down. The glowing lights add a futuristic element to your water fights, making every single blast look like a glowing energy beam cutting through the evening air. To power both that impressive motor and the bright LED lights, the water gun operates on a robust 7.5 volts modular rechargeable battery. This 7.5 volts battery provides a long-lasting performance that easily supports hours of totally uninterrupted play. You do not have to worry about the power slowly dying and the water stream getting weaker over time. Instead, its smart, energy-efficient system ensures that you get consistent, powerful water bursts from the very first splash all the way to the very last drop in the tank. Moving on to the physical design, the Pulstron electric water gun toy with LED is beautifully shaped to maximize comfort and tactical advantage. It features a highly ergonomic handle that conforms perfectly to the natural shape of your hand. This thoughtful design offers incredible comfort and superior control, allowing players to aim precisely and maneuver easily during the most frantic water fights. Combining that comfortable grip with the powerful internal motor gives you an impressive shooting range of 8 to 10 meters. Being able to shoot water up to 10 meters away means you can effortlessly soak your friends from a safe distance. The Pulstron water gun masterfully combines pure power, modern style, and incredible functionality, making every single water battle far more thrilling and dynamic. It is a completely immersive outdoor play experience that integrates top-tier performance, rugged durability, and eye-catching visuals to keep you entertained for hours on end. Are you completely ready to take your summer outdoor games to the absolute next level? Check the price link in the description to grab your own electric water gun right now. Make sure you like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome finds and fun gadgets. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you in the very next video.